Bagani po ay isang training program and capacity development program para sa ating mga kabataan mula sa Development Academy of the Philippines po itong programa. Ang DAP po ay nagte-train ng ating mga ASEC, USEC at senior and middle managers ng gobyerno. Ngayon po, we believe that it is high time for our youth as well to be prepared and also to be trained with their competencies so that later on when they transition to bigger roles ay mas capacitate po sila to forward reform. So ang Bagani po ay binubuo ng dalawang component po ito. Yung una, meron tayong open learning track. Ang open learning track po ay open sa lahat ng mga estudyante at young people na age 18 to 30 years old. Ito po ay purely online at self-paced. Kami po ay magbibigay ng mga modules para kanilang i-take. By self-paced po at any time within the period, kaya po nila itong i-take. Once they accomplish the modules and the course, bibigyan po namin sila ng certificate that is also DAP accredited at also civil service accredited by the Civil Service Commission. Yung second component po natin ay ang Bagani Fellowship. So ito naman po ay programa natin. We will choose 100 highly exceptional young leaders with high potential to take on government positions in the future. So nahahati po to sa dalawa na cohort. So bali by June, kami ay pipili ng 50 fellows and the rest po ng 50 ay for October. Atin po silang dadalhin sa Manila for a 1-month high-intensive program. In-house po ito so that they are also in-house trained by our guest speakers, by our agency secretaries and undersecretaries themselves. So, sa ngayon po, open na po ang application ng Bagani Rising Leaders Development Program. All information, we have a website and we also have social media. In Facebook, you can find us by Bagani Rising Leaders Development Program.
Qualification.
Ito po, ang Bagani Rising Leaders Development Program ay fully funded scholarship by the Philippine government. So ito po ay under the General Appropriations Act ng ating gobyerno. So from the residency po until sa kanilang program, until sa kanilang fellowship and even the open learning, libre po. Ang isang component din po pala ng Bagani ay ang ating mga top 10 fellows ay atin pong isi-send abroad. So they will also be capacitated and we will be sending them to international institutions, Oxford, Harvard, so that they will also be educated with international competencies as ma-broaden po ang kanilang knowledge as well. So even the international track po ay fully funded by our government.